Morning, everyone. So it's Monday. Let's start our Monday great with this beautiful reminder to everyone. So I post this to my FB page, and I'd like to share this here. So let's not limit our opportunities. The world is our canvas. Think and believe that we can. So totoo po yun. So wag nating ilimita ang ating oportunidad. Marami tayong makikita. Just open our eyes, think what we can, and grab it. So push our boundaries. Let's grow beyond our comfort zone. Let's be positive. Wag nating ilimita, no? I-push natin kung saan pa tayo pwedeng maging successful, no? Chase our dreams, turn our vision into reality by working hard, faith in God, and continuous resourcefulness. So, um, kung may pangarap tayo, syempre kailangan natin i-push yun, no? So, chase our dream. Dapat maging realidad yung ating mga pangarap dahil sa pagsisikap natin, no? Maniwala tayo sa Panginoon at maging resourceful tayo. Huwag nating gawing option ang paghinto. Dahil pag kuminto tayo, ibig sabihin, wala na. Patay lang daw ang nagsasabing, wala nang magagawa, patay na po yan. So, okay. To succeed in this digital age, engage with others. Build meaningful connections. Think that others have different perspective and different culture as well. Totoo yun. So, kailangan ngayon na to, dito sa platform na to, kailangan makipag-engage tayo. Which is very true. This morning, I'm very grateful because one of my follower apparently have a very great connection with my parents and my families. Di ko na po siya matandaan, di ko na siya kilala. So, but when she told me about yung connection niya with my parents, I'm very, very grateful and very happy. So, with this connection, with this engagement, siyempre, makikita mo na, kilala ka pala or yung mga parents mo. So, how about for others, no? So, for sure, marami kayong meaningful experience with that engagement. Create useful content. Share wisdom and experiences that will help others. Sa akin, ang ginagawa ko to be more consistent sa aking ginagawa, yung pag-create ng ganito, no? So, meron kayong matututunan or kung meron man, or that will remind you the importance of motivation, positivity, our goals. So, yun ang aking content. Others, they have a very good content as well, and I'm very happy with them. Be consistent. Persistence yields results. So, dapat consistent tayo.